Oh! Oh! All right, we got a shootout going on.
Spill on 38.
Knock out that 7-10.
Spill on 38. Spill on.
What, Aaron? There we go. There we go. Oh! Who's this? Who's this? Oh! Good pick up, good pick up. All right. No more clearing the ball for you. Look at this girl go! Look at this girl go!
Who am I?
Seriously, who is she?
Sunday night early birds. Second game winner is Dennis, 80 points.
110.
5 aces.
I'm not a giant. I'm not a giant fan.
That's good. That's what I'm talking about.
LSCK just
I am.
go on the ring.
Oh yeah.
And I'll push Swift and the other asshole off the bridge.
Hey.
If a beta guy's a fool.
He's the size of a Rodney Hampton.
He's a fire plug.
Yeah.
5'8".
Yeah.
Do something. Let him
Yeah.
go. He's gonna kill the defense.
Yeah.